Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a rice wraps with vegetables and shrimps. You are gonna need these rice tortillas, and basically the ingredients are rice flour, tapioca flour, salt and water. Also, you will need shrimps, vegetables like cucumber, purple cabbage, and carrots. But you can use any vegetables, okay? And also you will need the Japanese rice or the regular one, peanut butter, honey, oil, garlic, and ginger. First, we are going to cook the shrimps. Then I'm gonna remove the skin. And we are going to cut in half so that we can wrap it better. Okay, so now we will add warm water in the plate and we will put the rice tortilla to soften it. And then we will put the rice tortilla in another plate. And we will place the vegetables and the rice. Now I'm gonna wrap in and put the shrimp to the end. Guys, I'm not an expert in wrapping them, but I know you can do it better than me. Let's make the sauce. You are going to need 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, honey, garlic, oil, and ginger. I just calculated the measurements, so please do the same. Beat hard until it has creamy, and remember, add more peanut butter for a thicker consistency. And this is the final result, guys. If you like this recipe, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my social media. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She stays with me every Wednesdays in my recipes, but she has her own videos every Saturday. And yes, she loves the rice tortilla. See you next time. Bye bye.